Hi viewers, welcome to episode 37 of Stay Awesome Van Life. Boy, you're going to have some laughs in this one. Enjoy.
Gotta get on the road, get on the road, get on the road. Yeah, gotta stay awesome.
Thank you, Mark!
Three van showers, three van showers. Not one, not two, three van showers.
So Gaz, are you going to try my 3 showers in one van?
Yeah, I am today. I'm sort of back on the set of Vanlife in beautiful downtown Manly.
Yeah.
And mate, so there's no bogans here.
No,
Not
there
like
aren't.
we normally go Nimba, the Gold Coast and those sort of areas. There's no bogans in Manly. They can't afford it, mate.
Yeah, but they live in Wynnum.
Yeah, well, that's just up around.
A better
the
class of
corner.
bogan. A better class of
They're
bogan.
too fucking lazy to walk there. The car.
Well, they walk across the zebra crossing all right. Takes them a while, but anyway.
Yeah, so I don't really know what you're trying to achieve today. What
Well,
are we going to show the viewers?
well, we're going to show them like you're going to a day spa in the van.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
so we're going to really look after you today.
All right. No,
Yeah.
Okay, I'm looking forward to it.
Okay, we'll meet you over at the van. We can start.
No worries.
We might have 3. We might even have 4 showers if we count Bella having a shower outside the van.
Right, okay.
Okay, Bella will do well, won't she?
She'll do well.
Okay, Gaza.
She'll
We
do.
might do Bella first.
All right, we can do
Okay,
that.
okay, sounds
Yeah.
good.
No
Okay,
worries at all.
beautiful.
So I'm ready to go.
Great, here we go. Shower time.
Yep, no worries at all.
Yeah, watch out for the pissophone when you're there.
For the what?
Pissophone?
Oh, right, yeah, I will watch
Yeah,
it.
Sean's already discovered it.
Oh.
Okay, okay, Gaza.
Okay, mate, no
Bye-
worries.
bye,
See you
mate.
over at the van.
So how many showers do you think's in that van there?
I reckon there might be around about 2.
2, you reckon?
Yeah.
What do you reckon, Alex? 2. That was Gaz is going to try and break the world record for van life showers today. Hey,
Yeah, I've got to sort of make an apology to the viewers though.
yeah, what's that?
Early on in our video, in our interview, I said that there was no bogans living around here.
Yeah.
But a couple have just turned
Oh,
up.
a couple have just turned up, did they?
I left my chair.
Oh,
Just turned up. They must
they're visiting. They're visiting.
they must have got the must from Wynnum, mate.
Oh, funny, eh?
Yeah.
And you got a studio audience up here. You got Sean and Des watching from up on the balcony there. Okay, so it's all on today. We've got the shower ready for Gaza, and shortly he's going to test out 3 showers.
Stay awesome.
Three van showers, three van showers. Not one, not two, three van showers. 3 showers in the van. Three showers. Not one, not 2, 3 van showers.
Hey,
No,
stay
no.
awesome!
Okay then. Here's Sean playing my pissophone.
Stay awesome.
Sean's playing my toilet.
It's yellow.
That's the pissophone, you idiot.
I'm not kissing you.
This minute, this moment, I like the colors more than
Some sticker flakes around the edges. And there, because it's self-contained already, the way I've done this, I don't have to glue the thing down, the weight of this alone. Okay, so that part of the build is done. I've sealed all around the edge of the actual pan itself. It's been sealed underneath when I built the pre-existing framework underneath. So it's sealed both sides of the pan. And we also have the plug in place, as you can see.
and I don't. Oh, and I do. I wanna make love to you, but I don't know where you are. You're never too far. But what do I say? Well, I say it this way, and it feels right, and it feels right tonight. And I've made up my mind, and I've made up my mind, and I've made up my mind.
I'm going to put that. There's Molly Moo. Molly Moo. Molly.
Is it going to be strong enough for the thing to sit on?
What's that? Oh no, I've got it's 12 mil thick ply, marine ply. So I've got it braced. I've sealed the back part of the door there, and my plan is to put these hinges on the back wall, and I'm going to have a lid here, and it's going to lift up with the gas strut. You've got and the shower curtain will be up here on the ceiling, and I've already ordered that. It's a sort of a loop thing anyway, and it'll have 2 shower curtains, and that's how it's all going to work. I've already waterproofed all the walls, but I'm just using this bottom bit as the main part of the shower, and the rest of it's just multi-use. So there we go. So I'm getting there. 3 walls up, I've got the last wall coming in now, and then I'll go and seal all this.
Feeling alright. I'm feeling alright, you see. Cause it's up to you, you see. I'm feeling alright. And it's up to you, you see.
Hey, what's a horse? Oh, look at that.
I'm feeling alright, you see.
That's not deer, is it?
Oh, she loves it. Come here, Bella. Don't go there. Bella, come here.
It's up to you, you see.
Oh, we don't want that shot.
Feeling alright, feeling alright, you see.
So, Gazza,
Yeah, mate.
have you spotted the first shower yet?
Oh, I think that might be here.
This here,
Yeah.
with the key on it.
Yeah.
Do you want to give that a go? Do you want to
Try that.
turn the key, see how you go there?
Oh, have a look at that.
You found it?
I found it.
Oh, stay awesome with this one.
Right, so, alright. So with this one,
Yeah,
you put a lot of work into this, but I don't think you thought about it very much.
yeah,
This one here,
yeah,
come back from the beach, right?
Yeah.
Surfboard, you got all your sandy towels
yeah.
and all the rest of it. You just stand up against the door and just hose it down. So it's perfect, all the sand's gone.
Oh, there you go,
You
yeah.
know, and then you can just wash a bit of the loose sand off your head,
Yeah.
and your surfboard's clean, ready to go for the next day.
What about your cruid?
So what?
Your cruid?
Oh, you do that on the little one around the side, mate.
What, your head?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why. Yeah.
You're doing a good job there, Gazza.
All right, so you're yeah, this is working pretty well.
So that's shower 1.
That's shower 1.
Is that cold, warm, or what is
No,
it?
that was just warm, beautiful.
Yeah, that's on, what do we got? We just turned the heater on, the water heater, and it's on 41 degrees. It can go right up to 68, so,
Yeah.
or even higher. So,
So that's beautiful.
You've done well, Gazza.
A couple of weeks, so.
yeah. Oh, beautiful.
All right, well, that's shower 1.
Shower 1 done, completed.
And it works well. Everything.
What do we give that one out of 10, shower 1?
We'll give that 8.
8 out of 10. Okay, Gazza.
We'll give that 8. because
Oh, yeah. Okay, give us a look there. I'll have a look.
Yeah.
See how, yeah, turn one, the right, there, right off. No, the other, the red to the left and the blue to the right. Let's see how that works. No, we'll worry about that later.
All right, no
Okay,
worries.
thanks, Gazza.
All right,
We'll
mate.
hook that one up.
Yeah, well, you've done a good job with that.
Yeah, that one there's ready to go.
Surfboard's clean.
Yeah,
Yeah, all clean.
beautiful. Okay, move on to shower 2. Okay, we'll do this in a continuous shot, Gaz.
All right, mate.
You can walk in there.
No, we've got shower 2 here.
Shower 2, yeah, this is shower 2 in the van.
Smack that. Let me smack that. Let me smack that ass. Let me smack
Oh, there's that white butt I've seen skinny dipping out the front.
Gotta stay awesome.
Oh, that's
Gotta
cool.
stay awesome.
All right.
That's it, and you go through there, Gaz.
Right, okay.
Yeah,
There you go.
Doing in there, Gazza?
Give me shower cap.
Oh, you got a shower cap.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
okay.
this is what you do when you come back from the beach
Yeah,
and your hair's full of sand.
yeah,
You put your shower cap on
yeah.
so you don't wash the sand away. Oh, that's a bloody good idea.
Yeah, that's a good idea, Gaz. There's shower 2 for you, buddy. You got your shower cap on?
This is spectacular. You can stand here and look out at the beach.
Yeah.
You've got your shower here. And this is a good one for your girlfriend.
Oh, yeah.
Because you know she'll come back from the beach, you have a shower. Sand everywhere. You just don't want sand.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
Just give it a good bit of wash. It's all good. But this is good.
Nice and warm for you?
Yeah, beautiful. So you just give it a really good rinse up like that.
Yeah.
Now have you got shampoo?
Got shampoo there, Gaz. You'll take the shower cup off.
Well, you got to take your shower cap.
Yeah, there you go. There's some shampoo for you.
Yep.
You won't need too much of that. It's pretty strong, that stuff.
Yeah, well, so you got to wet your hair first.
True.
Right, and then you put shampoo on, and then your shampoo.
Oh, gotcha.
Right like
Oh, geez, you're doing well, Gazza. That's a
And
nice
you-
lather.
that. You give it a good hit like that, gets rid of all
Yeah.
the dandruff and the lice and that, and the sand.
You'll get rid of the you'll get rid of all those ads on TV, mate.
Oh, mate, this is good.
Hey.
You know, normally about this stage I'll be thinking about wanking or something. But this is a clean show.
You know, there's no peeing and no wanking in the van. You know that,
That's
don't
right.
you?
So you wash the shampoo out?
Yeah, you're doing a good job there. Just stand back a bit, Gazza.
Oh, right.
Yeah, because you haven't got the curtain in the front.
Oh, right.
Yeah, yeah.
So you wash the shampoo out like that.
Oh, gee.
Yeah. Give it a bit of a wipe back.
Yeah,
How am I looking?
looking pretty good, mate.
All right, no worries. And just, you know, you just have a quick shower when you live in the bed.
Yeah.
That makes sure your girlfriend has a long one.
Yeah. Let's try shower 3, mate.
All right.
Okay, Gaz has put that away. No, you put it in like this, Gaz.
I got
I'll show you.
shampoo.
You put it in the hole, see?
Ah.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh.
There we go, Gaz. So Gaz has just had shower 2.
Man, that was good too.
Yeah, you can come out, sure. You still got a bit of lather on you. Oh, don't, push that too much. Okay, now let's go for shower 3. If you come out here, that's shower number 3.
Oh my God, it's shower.
Yeah, shower 3. Okay, I'll turn it on for you. That's it. No, didn't come any further.
Oh,
You ready?
yeah. Oh my God, how good is that?
Is that warm?
Yeah, this is good because
Yeah.
actually I should have had this one before I got the main shower.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
The sand out of your hair like that.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, Gaz. You know how that's shower 3?
Yeah.
Well, I've miscalculated. I've actually got a shower 4.
Oh my God.
Yeah, okay. So we'll turn that one off.
All right.
We'll put that
But there
away.
is a benefit to that one. Can you just turn it back on for a second?
Yeah.
All right. as you guys will know, all you guys, when you come back from the beach, one of the worst things is sand in your balls. So you can just give it a good rinse out. And,
Oh, I'm sorry if
you
the
know,
camera's shaking, but I'm laughing.
all the sand out of your balls just down on there. You get a lovely crack too, but it
Okay, Gaz.
Alright.
Okay, we got that tip.
Right.
Now the next one's going to polish your balls, mate, so get ready for it. You see where I got shower number 4 from?
Yes, I did.
Yeah, it comes right out of the shower.
Yeah, I couldn't believe it.
Yeah, I got an extra long 3 metre hose with that.
Yeah, well, this is where you want to watch your girlfriend before you let her go in the mate.
There you go.
Get all the dirty things.
Yeah, you got to find one first. There you go.
Sand out of there.
Yep.
Well, that's good.
Geez, you leak. I tell you one thing, you're having a few showers with a fair bit of water there, mate.
Yeah, bloody hope you got water left.
I got 75 litres of cold and 10 litres of hot.
Bloody beautiful.
85 litres there for you. How do you like that?
Well, that's down.
It's got a Duetto water heater.
That time.
Duetto, yeah. And a Fiamma water
I've
tank.
given you a few tips about how
Yeah. Just pour it over your head for a sec, guys. I want to get a close-up. Beautiful. Right. Good one, Gazza.
We done some contract negotiations before I come over today, that's why I haven't been.
Yeah, well, just wait there, mate, because you're a bit wet. I'll go in the fridge, mate. There's always something in the fridge for you.
Is there something in the fridge?
Yeah, there's something in the fridge.
Yeah, fine.
Yeah. It's not a Corona, but it's a Hahn Super Dry, mate.
Oh, bloody beautiful.
Yeah, that's it there.
Hey, suckers.
So there we
There
go.
you go, that's my payment for all that hard acting work.
That's it.
1 half. No,
Gaz is on a deferred payment. He gets 1 beer when he does the job and 1 when he dries off.
Normally it's Coronas, but today, nah, just got a cheap shit handle. But anyway,
You can blame that for Sean. I pinched it out of his stash.
oh yeah, he bought cheap shit.
Yeah. See my trophy? Do you know what that is?
Yeah, I know what that is.
What's that?
There's a whole floor over there, and you stick that in, and then you just have a piss in it.
Pissophone, yeah. Sean didn't know that. He was playing it like a trumpet before.
They awesome, Vanlife. You know, a lot of people think that van people are dirty,
Yeah,
and they can't shower in it.
yeah.
We just proved that wrong.
Well, yeah, you have,
We've
but
had 4 showers.
where do they put the number 2s? That's the problem, mate.
Hey, you just put it in the sink and wash it down with the shower.
Something's got me going, and it's a free ride. Something's got me going, and it's a free ride.
There we have a Corona waiting for Gazza. Looks beautiful, doesn't it? Looks really nice.